Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from my video. If you want to remove object using Inshot, we have to overlay the video with the same video. We can click on this BIP option and just import the same video, this one. And after that, we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen or to get the full screen. And then we can go to this mask option, choose like the type of the mask. We're going to use mask to cover the subject. Click on the mask and you can choose the type of the mask you want to apply. I prefer the circle mask because the result will be more natural if we use the circle mask to cover the object. And we can resize the mask like this, and you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover this object. Okay, then we can click on this check mark and we can simply drag the mask to cover this unwanted object. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. Then if you're still not satisfied with the result or to make it more natural, you can go to folder, then you can adjust the lightness and the contrast. I'm just going to increase the lightness a little bit, and the contrast I'm going to reduce it. Okay, it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted objects from our video using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.